Heroin is a highly addictive illegal drug that is extracted from the seed pod of the poppy plant. Heroin acts on the limbic system, which is responsible for feelings of pleasure, on the brain stem, an area that controls automatic body functions such as breathing, and on the cerebral cortex where thought processes take place. Heroin can block pain messages transmitted by the central nervous system from the body, which could cause a person not to react to dangerous situations because the nervous system is not receiving notice of pain. At low doses, heroin triggers a dreamlike state with such side effects as constricted pupils, reduced appetite, constipation, low body temperature, itching, sweating, and stupor. At higher doses, side effects of heroin include increased breathing and heart rate and a reduction in blood pressure. Very high doses can cause death. So here is puzzle 1 and puzzle 2. See how much you know here. A body part besides the brain that can be damaged by alcohol abuse. So 1 across would be what? A 5-letter word. Let's go with heart. 3 across describes a neurotransmitter that stimulates or speeds up an action. 6 across, a substance in certain drinks that changes mood and behavior. The uncomfortable feeling a drug user experiences after quitting a drug. Okay, so 6 across is what? A substance. Let's try alcohol. The uncomfortable feeling of a that is experienced after quitting. Okay, so 7 across. Having let's start with an oh, duh, a W. Let's take a look down here. Let's see. So there's what? Shaking. And there's acetylcholine or acetylcholine, potato, cigarette, nicotine, sleep, alertness, dopamine, however you want to call it, patch, tobacco, cancer, irritability, and shaking. So there's just so much to get accomplished. What's your favorite thing? You can let me know in the comment section that helps you forget about anything that you're craving. What do you like to do? Besides giving in to yourself. So here's, it says unscramble the clues below. These are types of inhalants and long-term effects of use. And you can copy the letters and the numbered squares to the cells at the bottom with the same number in order to solve this mystery. What is the most serious possible side effect of inhalant use? So that's a lot of stuff right there. Taking stimulants with over-the-counter cold medicines can cause dangerous changes in blood pressure and heartbeat. Commonly abused prescription drugs include opioids, central nervous system depressants, and stimulants. Prescription drugs are prescribed by doctors, among other reasons, to lessen the pain of surgery or an illness, relieve anxiety or sleep disturbances, help with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Taking opioids and central nervous system depressants with other drugs, such as alcohol or antihistamines, can cause severe breathing problems and death even at low doses. Prescription drug abuse is defined as using prescription drugs without a prescription at a dose that a doctor did not prescribe or for a reason a doctor did not give. Using prescription drugs without a prescription can lead to drug addiction. Stimulants are drugs that act on the body's central nervous system to increase activity in the brain. Central nervous system depressants activate gamma aminobutyric acid, or GABA, the neurotransmitter that decreases brain activity and causes drowsiness. Then here's a crossword puzzle here. So across, marijuana is used to treat nausea in patients with this disease. Effects of marijuana can last for at least this many hours after use. And it goes on and on. So, here are the cartoons that we looked at in a previous recording. And that's about a wrap on everything. Let's see. Employees report that co-workers who use marijuana show more negative work behaviors, such as daydreaming, leaving work without permission, not working to their fullest. School-heavy users of marijuana show great difficulty in holding or refocusing their attention, registering, organizing, and using information. Research on marijuana shows very clearly that use of the drug can cause problems in a person's daily life. The drug can also make problems that already exist even worse. Students who smoke marijuana get lower grades than students who do not smoke. Marijuana users are less likely to graduate from high school than non-using students. So buckle up if you do that, guys. Marijuana use is also linked to psychological problems such as depression and anxiety in some people. Studies show that marijuana users can have fewer skills that help people maintain self-confidence or help people continue striving for goals. Studies show that marijuana use affects many different aspects of working, including being late or absent for work, having accidents on the job, or having to leave work. Heavy users of marijuana have been shown to score lower on standardized tests that measure verbal and mathematical skills than non-users. Marijuana greatly affects a person's ability to learn and remember while that person is under the influence. This can last for days or weeks after use of the drug. Bye for now, guys.